Hey there. Okay, so I got the torque box out on the passenger side. It's hard to see, but this is all bubbled up, rust. That's got to come off. I'm going to replace that whole piece in there just like we did on the other side. Everything else looks pretty good though. I don't know why the guy didn't do it before, but whatever, it's all good. I'll get that cut out and show you what that looks like here in a sec. Ta-da! It's out. Got the torque box out, got the frame rail out. That stud sitting there just helped me put it back where it was. To save time, I cut out there because it was all rusty. That's the whole reason for doing this. Got some grinding to do there, and I'm debating on taking this out. It's good all the way down and whatnot, but it doesn't match up with the other side that I did because I replaced that whole other side, torque box, frame rail, the whole shop. So I'll probably do that. One of the coolest tools ever is a spot weld drill. It is awesome. I'll show that in action. Progress report. Welded in that new piece there. Got a little more grinding to do. My favorite. It's a little long, as you can see. I would rather have too much than not enough. And it still needs to be boxed in. The piece on the bottom. Right now it's just open on the bottom because I haven't got that far yet. There's the new floor support that needs to go in. That's what this is for. That's where it's helped me get it back where it's supposed to be. After, I put the date code back in it. It was told on all the forums and such. Keep the thing looking as original as possible, and to cut the date codes out and weld them back into the old pieces. There is the old one on the floor there. And it was a little, you can't really see it on camera, but this is all bubbled up, rust underneath of it. Rather than separate the two pieces, I just cut the whole thing out because this is all junk. You can see it's all rusted underneath there. That's about ready to bust through. So that's the progress report.